This is Andrew and this is GoneKilting. Josh and I are out Saturday morning. Earlier this week we shot a video showing some high water. I was in the car doing a driving video and I got out. So we're going to do a comparison shot. Alright, so I'm going to get in the same spot where I was for the last shot, now that the water's receded a little bit. They've got some geese in the pond now, and you can kind of see the outline of the pond. Now the water's gone down a bit, but I wanted to get you guys a shot of the actual bridge. In the shot, you can see down there, there is a little timber bridge that was under about 4 feet of water when I shot the video last time. It's only just passable now. There was still on the other side about 4 inches of water flowing pretty quickly over the road. But we finally got the sun out. It's finally not raining again. So, this is GoneKilting. We'll see y'all later.